The Elon Musk Guide to Saving Money, Supercharging Your Savings, and Be Rich Like Elon Musk. Introduction: The truth about Elon Musk. Elon Musk is an American entrepreneur and inventor. He is the founder, CEO, and lead designer of SpaceX, co-founder, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Motors, chairman of SolarCity, co-chairman of OpenAI. 5 tips for saving money like Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a man who knows how to make money. He has made billions of dollars and has always managed to find a way to save it. Here are 5 tips for saving money like Elon Musk. 1. Invest in your future. Elon Musk invested in Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity when they were just starting out, and these companies have paid off handsomely for him. In the same vein, start investing your money in things that you think will pay off in the long run, whether it's stocks or real estate or something else entirely. 2. Save energy by using less of it. Elon Musk has been known to turn down the air conditioning when he doesn't need it, and he drives around in his Tesla Model S instead of taking a helicopter whenever possible, which saves him money. 3. Provide a more natural ecosystem. There is so much plastic waste in the ocean that it's causing an ocean crisis. The solution to this is to reuse the plastic and make it into a new item, like a bottle or bag. This can help to reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean. 4. Stop the global plastic pollution crisis. The world's population relies on plastic products every day. Unfortunately, plastic pollution has become a global issue that is harming our planet's health and existence. The number of plastic bags used each year has increased from 500 billion to 1 trillion since the 1970s. One type of plastic, used for packaging food, is made into a type of bread called synthetic bread. In the United States, that piece of bread weighs nearly 3 times less than on average. 5. Clean up our world. The millionaire's secret formula to supercharge your savings. It is not a secret that many people are struggling to save money. The millionaire's secret formula to supercharge your savings can help you create a budget, find your true expenses, and get the most out of your income.